ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys 2 different apartments in the Carrollton, Plano area, and they do look very similar because they're actually built by the same company. So the first one has a ton of amenities and outdoor space. The second one will have more coming, but they are in the early stages of development and they still have like 2 more buildings to build. So it's gonna be awesome when it's done. Also, this apartment building is literally right next to a school. So if you're a big football fan, you could go to the games or run the track possibly. So this space is really large. They have a courtyard here. It's also very dog friendly. They have their full-size basketball court right here. And then there's a space right here where you can lounge with your friends. Cool. This is a huge complex. So plenty of space here by the pool. I don't have time to tour these today, but they also have townhomes with built-in garages. I've noticed everywhere here smells extremely clean. And it looks like they have some cleaning people on staff, which is good. So you know that you're gonna avoid messes and bugs and all that stuff. So they have valet trash. So just walking in, you've got the washer and dryer right here. Hardwood or hardwood engineered floors. Very spacious kitchen with an island. Nice lighting, double door fridge. This building is fairly new also. Dishwasher. A lot of space in this living area and balcony, which is quite large. See one of the courtyards out here. Here's the first bedroom. So the bedrooms have carpet, the living areas do not. Bathroom. Standard large tub and shower. Oh, nice size walk-in closet with some built-in shelves. Okay, let's check out the second bedroom. And I like how when you walk in, there's like an entryway here. It's like a foyer, and you don't automatically just walk right into the kitchen. Okay, second bedroom right here, which is attached to the bathroom. This one's slightly bigger than the other one. But this closet does not have the built-in shelving. Probably because the bathroom's bigger. I like how when you walk in, there's like this mudroom little spot right here. And here's the kitchen with a humongous island. This one has the lighter finishes compared to the last one. 2 sinks, which are actually kind of small. The refrigerator. Wow, this kitchen is very spacious, as well as this living area. And then you have a built-in desk right here, big enough for 2. So pull out some chairs right here. Then, ooh, a pantry. Nice. And over here we have a full-size laundry room with built-in shelving. I love this. It's hard to find stackable washer and dryer in an apartment. They're usually the stackable ones. Okay, let's see. Let's look at the balcony. Whoa, this is huge. Wow, this is really big. It actually goes all the way down here to one of the bedrooms. So whoever chooses this room will have direct access to outside. And the bedrooms are carpeted. Let's take a look at the bathrooms. So right here, single sink tub. Let's see, the shower, bathtub combo, and decent sized closet. All right, now let's check out the other bedroom. Pretty much the same. This one actually maybe a bit bigger. This bathroom is way bigger. So on the smaller one, you get the convenience of the balcony. This larger one, you get more space. So here you have the dual vanities. I really like this darker marble. And built-in shelving, as well as built-in shelving in this rather large closet. This apartment complex is huge. There are literally 9 buildings. So I've gotten kind of lost just exploring this place. It's freaking ginormous. Which model is this?
This is an A5 floor plan. It's going to be at 682 or 84 square feet.
Okay, cool. This is cute. It smells brand new.
Yeah.
Love that. Dishwasher. Do they all come with a balcony or patio?
Yes. So they're all going to have a balcony. Some of them do have patios.
So far, so that's a decent size. This is good if you have a dog. Nice built-ins right here.
This is for apartment. This feature the built-in coffee floor.
Nice.
And then the first floor is all carpet at all.
No carpet on first floor? Okay, good to know. Big bathtub. Walk in. This is the A3 floor plan, 622 square feet. This one has the darker finishes. So the espresso cabinets. I like these lights. And then washer and dryer. Good sized pantry. And this one has a balcony. We're on the 2nd floor. So here's the bedroom. Nice big windows. Bathroom, a little bit smaller than the last one, but this one is cheaper. You get that same big tub. And of course you get a walk-in closet, and I think I actually like this one more than the other one. Okay, so this is the 2-bedroom. What was the square footage on this one? 1180? 1088, okay. So, is there gonna be a washer and dryer in there? Okay.
A washer and dryer connection room.
Okay, yeah, because this is the model. But it gives you an idea of where you can place your stuff. So you don't need to have a kitchen table because you can put chairs right here. This is pretty big. And then got the bathroom, spacious. Much bigger closet. Yeah, way bigger. Let's hope the other one's just as big. So here's the bedroom. Living area, patio right there, and then oh, hi, sorry, I didn't realize you were in here.
Good, how are you?
Good. So this is the second bathroom. And then you've got a large walk-in closet here also. So there's a bunch of stuff in here which shows how much you can fit in here. It's very spacious.